Microwaved marble cake. Take 2 eggs and beat them. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now add ½ cup of buttered oil. For dry ingredients, separately add 1½ cup of flour. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix, mix, mix. Add ½ cup of milk in the batter. Add in the dry ingredients. Fold it in properly. Add in 2 drops of vanilla essence. Take 3 spoons of batter in a separate bowl. Add in 2 spoons of cocoa powder to this now. Layer butter paper in a dish. Oil it a bit. Pour in the batter. Add in cocoa mix for the marble. Create a marble design. Put in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Once done, check it with a toothpick and make sure it comes out dry. Cool it and dish it out. Cut it and enjoy. So soft and spongy, like and save for more recipes.